Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be working again on the SLC. This time we're going to be doing the dust filter, pollen filter, cabin filter, whatever word you want to give to it. We've done this on previous cars. We're going to go over it again on the SLC. It's just a bit awkward as you have to sort of fold yourself up into the passenger footwell, but we'll get it done and we'll show you what needs doing. So the tools we're going to be using today, we're going to use the battery powered wrench because it's just easier. Going to be using a T20, I think it is. Can you get it to focus in? Yeah, it's a T20 star. That's to undo our bolts, just on an extension. And of course we need the filter. In this case we've done the Febby. The Febby option, much cheaper than the genuine Mercedes, have to say. I think what happens is the filter goes in like a V shape, so we're going to have to sort of bend this around here. You'll see when we get round to it, but what we're going to do now is undo the cover under the footwell of the passenger side, and I can show you where it all is. So we have 3 screws directly underneath that need undoing. There's one. May not need the extension actually. You sort of have to fold yourself quite a lot in here. Two, 3. So that's our 3 screws out. We'll just put them on the floor, and we prise away the actual cover like so. You do have your light socket on it, so this light socket we can disconnect and remove it so that we can get this trim completely out of the way. Bit annoying how it wants to hold on for dear life, but we'll get it off. There we go. So this unit here is where the filter is, and you see these tabs? These yellow tabs is what we need to slide to get the old one out. Okay. So with, you can see in there, with the 2 clips slid and the cover pulled down, we can now pull out the old filter. So as you can see, it's in a V shape. It gets kind of ripped so that you can get it into that shape. So remember to take a note of the arrows that show you the airflow. So let's get our new one bent and in place. So here's our new one. What's really good is that Febby seems to have already done the bend for us. So all we need to do is get out this packet, pop it back in place. So we're going to pop this back up. We're looking at the airflows which now match. Arrows that way. Yep, ours that way. So we're going to put it in like this. Let's get this old one out of the way a minute. And let's get it back in.
One eternity later.
Now this cover has two little hooks. If I show you, the cover has, see these hooks? These hooks have to go into holes up there on the back side, and then the front side we use the sliding clips. The top bit has that slide there and that slide there to lock it in place. And that's it. Now we just put the trim of the footwell back in place. So the 3 screw holes are there, this one, and then you've got this one and this one, that one there, and that's our trim all put back now, and that's job done. We'll give this car clean now.